A lot of people don't realize that you can actually translate directly in Google Sheets. And you don't even need to use AI. It's a built-in feature. Best of all, you don't even need to know the language that you're trying to translate from. So for example, let's say we either have a Google form or we got a bunch of reviews for my automated task tracker, and they're in a bunch of different languages and I don't know what they're saying. So I don't know if I need to respond, if it's a good thing, it's a bad thing, or not. First thing I can do is detect the language automatically. So I'm going to type equals detect language, and then I'll select the cell that contains the review and press enter. And from there, it's going to give you the language code. And I can simply double click and it will give me every single language code that language is in. So I have French, Spanish, German, Filipino, Arabic, Danish, Dutch, and Portuguese. And if you don't know what these languages mean, you can simply Google the list of language codes and it will pop up with every single language code that is in Google Sheets. And from there, it's super easy. So I'll just do Google Translate, select the text. Then the first thing you need is the source language. And you can either type that in with quotes if you know it, or since we already detected the language, I'm simply going to select that cell, put a comma, and then we want to translate that to English. I'm going to type equals EN inside quotes and press enter. And now it's going to translate whatever this says into English. And since I have everything based off of a cell reference, I can double click and it's going to translate every single one of these reviews into English. And it works the opposite way around as well. So if I wanted to translate whatever was in English to a different language, I can type equals Google Translate, select the cell that contains the English translation, put a comma. Now the source language is going to be English, and then the target language is going to be whatever you put. So once again, you can either select it right here, or you could type in AR for Arabic, press enter, and now it's going to translate that review to Arabic. So this is a cool way to work internationally, especially if you inherit different spreadsheets from different people, or if you have Google Forms for international reviews, or different things like that. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and like and comment for more.